The Philip Fiani trained supernatural power to be ridden by two-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman is the 3-5 anti-post favourite for Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park, where a small field will go postward. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
The 4-year-old American-bred Grey filly Supernatural Power seeks her 7th victory from 11 starts locally when she takes on 4 rivals in Saturday's Alexander Hamilton Memorial Trophy event over 7 furlongs. The race is confined to 3-year-olds and up in the open allowance category. Supernatural Power, who is making her seasonal debut, is coming off a 4th place finish in last December's Grade 1 Mute Mile, where she made late progress to make the frame. She has set the exercise track alight with an impressive gallop of 59 2/5 for 5 furlongs round on Sunday morning being among the highlights. The visor and figure 8 have been removed for this assignment, with the blinkers now being fitted. She's expected to use her Grade 1 experience to good effect and appears the one they have to beat. Former Horse of the Year Fun Can Done with regular jockey Robert Halladine is the 8-5 second choice in the overnight odds and should provide a good test for Supernatural Power. Recent winner Wall Street Trader as well as the fit and consistent Zulu Warrior should complete the frame. The lineup is completed by Provident to be ridden by apprentice Shaheem Gordon. This event is slated as race number 8 at 4:20 p.m, while first post for the 10-race card is 11:45 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.